Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, I welcome you all on board with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Today's topic is the introduction and a preface of the subject pharmacognosy, which includes a series of lectures in different parts. This is the second part of the lectures. But before that, hi everyone, I am Tariq Sultan, the creator of the preface of the subject pharmacognosy and comprehensive pharmacognosy review video channel.
In pharmacognosy, let's discuss some common botanical sources of drugs. For example, bitter gourd product is used for lowering blood pressure. St. John's wort product is used to cure depression problems. Garlic extract has lovastatin, which is used for lowering cholesterol level in blood and used for the regulation of blood pressure. Ginger is used for the cure of throat problems and used as carminative. Ginkgo biloba, in the product form, it is used to cure Alzheimer's disease. Kava extracts are used for the treatment of anxiety. Let's observe the images of these common botanical drugs. Now this is bitter gourd, St. John's wort, garlic, ginger, ginkgo biloba, kava. In the pharmaceutical industry, various drugs of botanical origin are used in drug manufacturing process, including the following. Opium is an anesthetic and an analgesic obtained from Papaver somniferum. Aspirin is an antipyretic, an anti-inflammatory and an analgesic obtained from Spirea plant. Digitalis, which includes the drugs digoxin and digitoxin, belongs to the class of cardiac glycosides, is obtained from Digitalis purpurea. Quinine is an antimalarial compound obtained from cinchona bark. Among the alkaloids, we consider the example of caffeine. And caffeine is a common purine alkaloid in plant cacao or cocoa. In Chinese tea plants, the main purine alkaloid is theobromine or methyl uric acid. A large amount of caffeine is found in coffee seeds. Caffeine has a mild effect on the central nervous system. Poisonous substances found in Datura stramonium are tropane alkaloids. For example, atropine, hyoscine and scopolamine and hyoscyamine in all parts of the plant. Datura is a severe intoxicant and can cause even death. Among the phenolics, we consider the example of anthocyanins, which donate purple color to grapes, and tannins that give the tea the characteristic color. These are the images of medicinal plant Datura. Among the terpenoids, we have two groups of compounds. One is monoterpenes and the other is carotenoids. The monoterpenes donate aroma to the rose and lavender. The carotenoids are responsible for the production of red and orange color in corn, carrot and tomatoes. Among the glycosides, there are 10 important groups of glycosides. In cardiac glycosides, we consider the example of Digitalis, Scilla, Strophanthus. These are used to cure congestive cardiac failure. Among the alcoholic glycosides, we consider the example of salicin, which is converted into acetyl salicylic acid, which is commonly known as aspirin. The group anthraquinone glycosides is obtained from Cape speckled aloe and is a laxative. The coumarin glycosides have a vasodilator effect on coronary arteries as well as block calcium channels. The example is aptarin. Now there are also other glycosides such as chromone glycosides, cyanogenic glycosides or cyanoglycosides. Both are same. Flavonoid glycosides, phenolic glycosides, saponins, stabiol glycosides, and lastly the thioglycosides. These are the images of Cape speckled aloe. This is the green variety of Cape speckled aloe. As shown earlier, the green leaves turn red and brown when the plant is stressed. The revolution of herbal medicine has increased the demand for research in the field of pharmacognosy. It includes three most important factors. Firstly, the quality control to assure the identity, purity and consistency of drug substances. Secondly, the efficacy to determine the therapeutical effects, indications, clinical aspects and pharmacological effects. And thirdly, the safety. Research to study the untoward toxic reactions, interactions, contraindications, and precautions.
If this video helped you learn the pharmacognosy subject, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in future with other helpful animations, hit that subscribe button. By this, you will get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. Lastly, if you want me to seek and cover any other leftover issues, suggest a comment below on how I build my listed videos to create. I hope you have enjoyed it and I hope to see you next time. Bye.